So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about the best live recording noise removal software. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So friends, the name of the software is Krisp and I have already given the link in the description so you can download it from there. And before downloading, I want to tell you that this software will work only in Windows 10 64-bit. So if you are using Windows 10 64-bit, then you can use it. And now, after downloading, let's install it. Open the setup, click next, and then click install. Now, after installing, click finish. And now friends, open Krisp. So now, you have to sign in with Krisp. So simply click this option. And now friends, enter your Gmail ID here. And now click on sign in. After that, it will send you a 6-digit verification code. So simply enter it here. And now click on open Krisp. And now friends, we have successfully signed in with Krisp, and now I will tell you how to set up Krisp with your recording device. And before that, you have to connect a headphone or a lead to your desktop or laptop so that this option will be enabled, otherwise not. And now before starting setup, you can see a line here that you can use Krisp only for 240 minutes in a week, and after that if you want to use it, then you will have to pay for it. And now let's start setup. So firstly friends, open your recording device, and here I am using Bandicam. And now go to video option and go to settings, and here in the microphone option select Krisp microphone. And after that friends, I am going to restart the recording so that Krisp will be enabled. And now friends, as you can hear, no noise is recording, but after turning off this option, as you can hear, noise is recording. And after turning on this option, again noise is not recording. So friends, at last, if you also want to remove noise from your live recording video, then I will recommend you to use Krisp. It will definitely help you to remove noise from your live recording video. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Then please leave a like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.
Let me in, yeah.